If you are getting messages about installing Flash Player or needing it to be updated, you can take care of that yourself. To begin with, you can either use the F4 key or you can use the Rocket or Launchpad on your dock. And you're going to look for this icon that says self-service. Remember, you may have more than one screen, so that you might have to click on one of the dots to see it may be on another screen. When you open up self-service, one of your options will be Flash Player. Now yours will say install. I'm going to choose reinstall so you can see how it works. There's going to be a pop-up that appears on your screen. I strongly recommend, if you're a Safari user, that you do a screenshot of this. If you do a Command Shift and 4, you can screenshot this onto your desktop so that you can go back and read these instructions and apply them to Safari so you don't keep getting that information. Now once this is installed, it will say done, and then it will say that it is reinstall. You can just simply close from there. I would close and quit any browser that you had open and then reopen it, and it should be working for you. Good luck.